Okay, here's the 11th Doctor sonic screwdriver. Very big from the other sonic screwdrivers, and it fully extended. It's even more. So to activate it, you press that button there. And it has two frequencies, the low and the high. You press it up there. You have to use that button inside, or the button on the bottom. Does the same thing. But you cannot use this button down here to turn it on when it's fully extended. Another feature which I don't like is this. It falls off. Just won't stay on. See that? Now I noticed a little Easter egg type thing. You press sonic screwdriver button 3 times. On the third time it makes this sound. Just like that. So if anyone knows what that is, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.